y'all. So today I was feeling inspired and I just wanted to, you know, do a few product shoots. Like I was feeling real inspired today. So I was like, let me go to the dollar store and Five Below and get some products just to do some shoots to get these images that I've been having in my head out. Of course I got stuff. It's inexpensive, but it's also stuff that I can also wear. So I just got it stuff that I would like also just to keep for my own personal makeup collection. And I also using some of the stuff from my own collection. So let's get into these shoots. Y'all remember this flower book I had made with the flowers from my wedding? So I'm just going to use a few of these flowers in the background of the picture of the props. See, that's why I keep everything, because I know stuff that I could use again. Always keep it for different purposes. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, this is all the stuff I'll be using for the product shoots that I'm about to do. So if you're a makeup artist, someone who, or if you just aspire makeup artist experience, you're a model, someone who sell products, make sure you contact me for all your product shoots and stay tuned for more behind the scenes on how I do my shoots. Well, this is just a little sign. It's a little sign. Can't show you everything. I'm using one light setup. What's this? This is how it looks. This is what I'm doing. So right now I'm using a pair of jeans from my thrift, VintageDopeThrift.com, TheVintageDopeThrift.com. These are just going to be a prop, so you'll see.